Steve from All Star Case Breaks doing Leaf Metal Draft Baseball 2018 for Jeff. Jameson Hannah.
Super Bowl champs. Welcome back to NFL Live, presented by KFC.
Lyon Richardson, 21 of 25, purple. Steel Walker, blue, 6 of 35. Oh, Estevan Florial, that's the base. Travis Swaggerty, 5 of 25, top picks. And nice. Cole Winn, 1 of 1. Congratulations, man. So 2 of 2, 1 of 1. Cole Winn, Travis Swaggerty, Florial, Walker, Richardson, and Hannah. Jeff, any more? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then Tristan is up next. Number 5, okay. Will Barfield, State Pride, 1 of 15. Lucan Baker, purple, 9 of 25. Ronnie Mauricio, 6 of 15. Keibert Ruiz, Nick Mandrigal, 5 of 20. And Alec Boehm, top picks, blue, 7 of 20. Boehm, Madrigal, Ruiz, Mauricio, Baker, and Banfield. Jeff, 6 through 12. Guys, on Bowman Draft, I haven't decided, and I want to make sure it's all actually walking in the door. This seems like a kind of a situation where they're built one guy Yeah, I mean, we haven't seen Acuna, we haven't seen Otani, and I think there's some other guys that should be in this. I mean, there may only be 1 or 5 or 10 of them, but number 6, good luck, Jeff. Hey, how you doing? I'm good. Marco Luciano, 18 leaf metal draft, 6 of 10. Shane McCallahan blue, 20 of 35. Ryder green, 19 of 20. Nick Schnell base. Carlos Hernandez. And Joey Bart, 4 of 10, top picks green. Bart, number 2. Jeff, 7 through 12, or is that it? I know I was going to hold you a box, but 6 is even better. Give me just a minute. I'll be right back. Jeff, let me know if you want more. Otherwise, Tristan is up.